I'm back. It's your boy Taylor Graham with bellatorclaims.com. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Jeff of Broomfield. He says, I do have one rental property that has had 3 claims in the last 7 years I've owned it. 2 claims for hail, 1 for a broken water line in front yard caused by a city contractor working on sewer lines in the street. I had no control over the weather or the city contractors, but I'm being canceled due to too many claims. I've asked them through my agent to reconsider and would replace the roof with wind and hail resistant shingles, and that would be fine with higher premiums if they would continue coverage. They can't do that. This is the deal. The insurance company that might be responsible, say the city contractor in this case, like they broke your pipe. Are you responsible for that? What their insurance company will tell you is, why don't you make a claim with your insurance company and have them talk to our insurance company? Well, the problem is now you have a claim on your insurance company, and every claim that you have, the bigger risk you become to them. Insurance companies, all they care about is mitigating risk. If you are a bigger risk to them, they're going to mitigate you by canceling your policy, by non-renewing your policy, by increasing your premiums to a point where it's ridiculous to stay with them. So if you need help, if your insurance claim is getting denied, delayed, or underpaid, contact us today. bellatorclaims.com. The sooner you contact us, the better it is, the better we can help you. So contact us today.